Hey everyone, Ryan Elewaut here from Solstice Guitars and Custom Sound in Flagstaff, Arizona. I've only been a part of Ian Davlin's community for a couple months, and it's fantastic. If you do this for a living, you gotta join. The information and the conversations every week are so worthwhile. Come on and join us.
Hi people, I'm Dan Erlewine here in my shop. I'm here to recommend that you check out Ian Davlin's Patreon page. That's Ian Hates Guitars, that's his website. It's sort of like a club that a bunch of us belong to, and we love it. We absolutely have so much fun meeting each other and sharing ideas and little tips about the trade. Check us out.
Hey, Conor, Cassidy is my name. My business is called Anything with Frets, and I'm in County Kilkenny in Ireland. I've really enjoyed being part of Ian's Patreon, learning tons of tips and tricks and getting the insights of luthiers all over the world. I also really enjoy the camaraderie and sharing the war stories. It's a solo occupation, so it's great to have some colleagues to bounce ideas off and to also just get a bit of empathy. Anyway, thanks.
Hi, my name is Maximiliano Morales. I'm from Buenos Aires, Argentina. I have a guitar repair shop called MOMA. One of the things that I learned in Ian's Patreon is to 3D print and 3D design. That was great for my workshop. Something that amazed me is that Ian finds the right persons to share the specific knowledge.
Hi, this is Shaun Penechar from Fountain City Guitarworks in Kansas City, Missouri.
And Mark Penechar from Fountain City Guitarworks in Kansas City, Missouri.
And let me tell you what, if you thought you hated guitars, let me tell you about my friend Ian Davlin's Patreon, Ian Hates Guitars.
There's a great community building up at Ian Hates Guitars Patreon and at ianhatesguitars.com. It would be in your best interest if you are interested in expanding on your craft to join, sign up, and contribute to the forum. There's always great information, great AMAs, great interviews with other luthiers that really help everybody expand the craft. So check it out.
This is Al of Al's Guitar Workshop in Fairfax, Virginia. Just want to take a quick second to thank Ian for the help he's given me on some one-on-one instruction on the area of acoustic guitar neck resets.
Hi, I'm Grace from Guelph Guitar Repair up in Canada. I've enjoyed being a member of Ian Hates Guitars Patreon for a few months. I find it of value for two big reasons. One is the daily messages, which are either educational or funny or both. And also the great community that Ian's gathered around himself. Consider it. It is worth joining up for the laughs, the learning, and the community.
Hey, it's Brent and Steve down here at Indie String Theory in Indianapolis. Ian Hates Guitars Patreon channel and everything has been really great for learning the headstock overlay process, a lot of touch-up stuff, and it's also been cool on the community aspect to see what other people are charging for their time and how to better value our time as luthiers and what that means for us and our customers.
Hey, this is Scott Mezei from Mezei Tone in Lethbridge, Alberta. I've learned a ton of new repair techniques, and I'm always happy to chat with people that are doing the same thing I'm doing and just getting to communicate.
Hey everybody, Joe from Guitar Tech Luthier in Chaska, Minnesota. The reason why I like the Ian Hates Guitars group is a couple of things. One, I've really upped my finishing game from what I've learned. And then also all of us who are in this group, we're all collaborators and we're not competitors, so we share a lot of information. So that's what's up, and thank you for watching.
Hey everyone, Ian here. Thanks for stopping by. I'm really happy with the community we're growing at Ian Hates Guitars, and I want to invite you to come along. Almost every week we have a new guest or presentation to help you take your luthiery skills to the next level. To sign up, just head over to patreon.com/IanHatesGuitars. You'll get the opportunity to speak with some of the biggest names in luthiery and ask them anything you can think of.
Hey, Evan Gluck. Holy crap, it's Michael Baskin in my own home again.
In addition to interviews, we're working on our own programs like the Ding Kings, where we learn to do finish touch-up just like I did in the in-person meetings at Dan Erlewine's shop. We have an international community that's growing all the time, and I hope you consider being part of it. Visit ianhatesguitars.com for more info or watch some of the public videos below. Thank you.